Good morning, students. Today we can start chapter 7. So, chapter 7 coordinate geometry. So, coordinate geometry means it is always related to x and y coordinate and Cartesian plane. This plane we can call it as Cartesian plane. This is x axis, x dash. This is y axis, we can denote it as y dash. All of you know that. So, x coordinate we can call this one is abscissa, okay, and y coordinate we can call it as ordinate. I will send these notes, okay. So you have here one point P. We can denote it by using x1 y1. X point from here and y point from here, we can denote the number here, correct? X1 y1, maybe it is 2 comma 2, 3 comma 2, or 2 comma 3, like that, okay. And another point is here q, maybe it is 5 comma 6 or 6 comma 5, 5 comma 5, 6 comma 6, whatever it is. So we can denote it by using a single letter, that is x2 y2. So by denoting the point p, we can denote it as x1 y1, and q we can denote it as x2 y2. So if I want to calculate the distance between these 2 points P and Q, we can calculate distance PQ, correct? So we can calculate the distance between P and Q by using one equation, that is called distance formula. It is very important. We have to learn this formula. You have to by heart all these formula in this uh, chapter. You have to learn 3-4 formula, okay. By using all this formula you can solve all these exercise. So distance formula I am going to write. Distance means if you have 2 points, if you want to calculate the distance between 2 points, then we will get the length of PQ. PQ we can find out by using the formula root of. You have to find out the root. What? X2 minus x1 the whole square. That means this minus this one the whole square, plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Second point, last point, y2 minus y1, this one the whole square. This is the equation for finding PQ distance. So this equation we can call it as distance formula. Very important, distance formula, okay. So by using this equation we can solve exercise 7.1. So I am starting 7.1. First question, find the distance between the following pair of points. First one, 2 comma 3, 4 comma 1, which is given in the question. So first point we can denote it as x1 y1, x2 y2. So we can write here x1 is equal to what here? Corresponding number 2. y1 is equal to 3. x2 is equal to 4. y2 is equal to 1. Okay. So I am going to apply the equation here. What is the equation for finding the distance? So distance between 2 points we can find easily. Distance is equal to, you should write this equation here, okay. So I am going to apply the equation. Root of x2 minus x1. What is x2? x2 is equal to 4. 4 minus x1. What is x1 here? 2. So 4 minus 2 the whole square, plus this plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. What is y2? y2 is equal to 1 minus y1 is equal to 3. So 1 minus 3 the whole square. So you will get here 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and this square 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. So minus 2, again this square. So here root I am writing first. 2 square is equal to 2 into 2, 4, plus minus 2 square is equal to minus 2 into 2, again 4. So we will get root 8. Root 8, you know that. What is the answer? 2 root 2. Till here it is correct, but root 8 we can write again it as 2 root 2. This one also we can write, okay. So second part, do it as homework. I am going to calculate third part. Second part also minus 5, 7. You can take it as x1, y1. Again minus 1, 3. You can take it as x2, y2. Next I am calculating third part. AB minus A minus B. So here we can write it as x1, y1. This one, first point x1, y1. second one x2, y2. So here x1 is equal to what? Instead of number it is letter A. So y1 is equal to what? B. x2 is equal to what? x2 corresponding one minus A. y2 is equal to what? Corresponding one minus B. So we can apply the equation. So I am going to calculate distance is equal to root of x2 minus x1. What is x2? This minus A minus x1 A the whole square plus y2 minus b minus y2 minus y1 y1 is b minus b the whole square. Okay, so root of minus a you will get what is that? Minus 2a the whole square plus minus 2b the whole square. So minus 2a the whole square means root of minus 2 square 4 a square plus 4b square. Okay, so 4 I am taking outside, 4 is common, so 4 into a square plus b square. Root 4 I am writing 2, root 4 is equal to 2. Again root of a square plus b square. A square plus b square you should write it in the same, a square plus b square. Do not take root a square root b square. Okay, this is a single term, so you cannot directly write the root. Okay, so this is the final answer. So this is the distance between the point AB and minus a minus b.